Welcome! In this video, we'll explore dependent systems in algebra and what it means when they have infinite solutions. We will focus on understanding coincident lines. A system of linear equations is called dependent when every set of coordinates that satisfies one equation also satisfies the other. In other words, they are the same equation in disguise. Graphically, this means the lines of both equations are drawn on top of each other. They are called coincident lines. Imagine drawing one line and then drawing the second line in the exact same place. Algebraically, one equation in a dependent system is simply a multiple of the other. For example, if you have y equals 2x plus 1, the second equation might be 2y equals 4x plus 2. Notice the second equation is just the first one multiplied by 2. To identify a dependent system, first, make sure both equations are in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. Then, compare their slopes and their y-intercepts. If the slopes are equal and the y-intercepts are also equal, you have a dependent system. Let's look at an example. We have two equations, 3x plus y equals 5 and 6x plus 2y equals 10. If we try to solve this system, we can start by rearranging the first equation to get y equals 5 minus 3x. When we substitute the expression for y into the second equation, we get 6x plus 2 times the quantity 5 minus 3x equals 10. This simplifies to 6x plus 10 minus 6x equals 10. The 6x terms cancel out, leaving us with 10 equals 10. Getting a true statement like 10 equals 10 means our system is dependent. This indicates that there isn't a single, unique solution. Instead, there are infinitely many solutions. Any point that lies on the line is a valid solution for the system. To summarize, dependent systems are equations that represent the same line. These are called coincident lines. Algebraically, one equation is a multiple of the other. When you try to solve them, you'll get a true statement, and they have an infinite number of solutions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.